Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called The Bad Seed. I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they saw that seed, and they say, that seed is so bad that there goes the bad seed. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, but I can hear them. I have a good hearing for a seed. How am I bad? You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late to everything. I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands or feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut lying every time. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish up everybody's sentences and I never listen. And I do lots of other bad things too. You know why? Because I'm a bad seed. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born on a humble seed, on a simple flower, sunflower, in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. Then the petals dropped and all our flowers dropped. It's kind of a blur. Sunflower seed, it's delicious. I remember a bag. Everything went dark, and then a giant. I thought I was goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and hollered, ah! But I was spit out at the last possible second. Patoo! I flew through the air and I landed through the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had softened to my fall. I felt okay, but something changed in me. I'd become from a different entire seed. I'd become a bad seed. A bad seed. That's right. I stopped smiling. I kept myself drifted. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was a friend to nobody and bad to everyone. I just lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care. It suited me until recently. I made a big decision. I decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. Sure, I still forgot to listen and still show up late and I still talk during movies and I do all kinds of others bad. But I also say thank you and I say please and I smile and I hold doors for people. Not always, sometimes. And even though I still feel bad, sometimes I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying and maybe keep thinking, maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, there goes the bad seed. Actually, he's not that bad anymore. I heard that. I hope you enjoyed this book and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!